Welcome back on this blustery, frigid day, which we've seen all day across the region. Those very strong winds, snow blowing around. We had a blizzard warning until 6 p.m. That has expired, though it was replaced with a wind chill warning, meaning it is still very dangerously cold out there. So something to keep in mind, and we'll track that more here again in just a second with our forecast. Just want to show you how it looks outside in Fargo right now. Some snow blowing around. First alert weather days, and yes, I have days back there because I did make Monday a first alert weather day. Added that because the wind chill warning is still going to be effective until noon on Monday. And we're going to see wind chills continuously in that 30 below to about 45, 50 below in some areas at times for the duration of that window of timing, and that's through Monday at noon. Frigid temps will really continue throughout the week. Now, there is some good news on the horizon. We look far enough out, we're actually going to see some above normal temperatures. Now, that's about 9, 10, 11 days out, but we're going to get there. In fact, I think we're going to see highs in the 30s. But again, that's a little ways away. Right now, we're dealing with this. Fargo, 7 below, the air temperature feels like 31 below. Let's jump down to Jamestown. Air temperature 16 below, wind chill 44 below. Devils Lake 14 below with a wind chill of 41 below. Even Bemidji, which again was staying a little bit on the warm side of this thing as of last night. Now we're seeing those wind chills well into the 20 belows. Wind chill warnings, and again with this in particular, in fact, we had a report earlier today in Carrington of a wind chill value of 65 below zero. So these numbers aren't lying. The National Weather Service issued this. It'll be in effect again until Monday at noon. You head toward Jamestown, Carrington, again winds up to 40 miles per hour. We've got those wind chills again down to 65 below. Then we look at areas like Fargo. Heading north and then off to the west, we're going to see the wind chills as low as 45 below zero again through Monday. Peak wind speeds today 37 Fargo, 44 Jamestown, 43 miles per hour in Carrington. Windy all over the board today. Here's what it feels like. Those wind chill readings, this is right now. It feels like 49 below Harvey, 47 below Carrington, 44 below in Valley City and in Jamestown, a little closer to home, 29 below in Bemidji, 40 below Fergus Falls, Detroit Lakes, 32 below. And again, these are your wind chill values. Actual air temperatures, again, that's below zero as well, but not quite as bad as those wind chills. You see a lot of single digits to teens below zero. Visibility, pretty poor in some areas. You've got the snow on the ground, you've got that snow blowing around, and that'll continue to be the case this evening and overnight and into tomorrow as well. So again, if you don't have to be out traveling, just stay at home, stay warm if you can. Recent snowfall reports, again, this is from today. We saw Cavalier get 7 inches of snowfall. Say Langdon, 4 inches of snow. Pembina 3 inches, Devils Lake 2.5. So again, some decent snowfall totals coming down out there. Let's take a look at our first alert forecast. The snow for the most part is done coming down, although again, we'll still see it blowing around out there. You see our wind chills still hanging in the mid 30s to mid 40s, even a few upper 40 below zero. You see our temperatures tomorrow. They're going to continue to be well below zero, those double digit below zeros for the highs tomorrow in some areas. Tomorrow morning, we're going to see a 13 below low in Fargo and Wapton, 21 below Langdon, 18 below in Valley City. Tomorrow's highs going to be only, again, 6 below, I should say, Fargo, 5 below Wapton, 5 below Grand Forks. So those wind chills in the lower 20s. And we look at our forecast heading right through the next 11 days. Look, though, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, 27, 30, and 31. Now, until we get there, the next 7 days are going to be just frigid. But after that, it does get better.
Just hang on, everybody.
Exactly.
We're almost there.
Yeah.
Thanks, Russ.